From Google, type Vobon or type www.vobon.xyz. Next, click Login. Enter your username and password. This is a dashboard and quick start from user can start quickly. Billing part. Accounting part. Report section. Settings part. Quick view of financial status. This is a billing module where user can create their income and expenditure bill. Create expenditure bill from here. This is accounting module. Create account payable and account receivable here. This is add-on where you can create all income bill and can send SMS just in a single click, saving huge amount of time. User can also perform meeting minutes and maintenance schedule. There are more than 15 reports. Monthly income and expenditure report. Statement of arrear. Invoice print. Building management made easier.